This is Wiley, from Learn to Barbecue. Get ready to fire up some backyard fun with your brand new Blackstone E-Series 22 electric griddle with cart. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you from boxed up to sizzling in no time. Prep your space. Find a clean, flat area with enough room for the griddle and cart. Open the boxes. Inventory the contents. Each box should have all the parts you need, along with the manual and hardware bag. Don't worry, it's not an IKEA-sized puzzle. First step, you need to attach the casters to the legs of the cart. I want to say the casters are first class and make moving the cart and griddle a pleasure. Now, I am not going to go through the full assembly of the cart, for first, it's pretty easy, and second, we all want to see the griddle in action. So voila, the cart is assembled. Now the fun part. The griddle comes in 3 parts. The base with the electronics and heating elements, the griddle pan and a hood. No fasteners are needed, and it takes seconds to complete assembly. So let's turn this griddle on. It has 2 heating areas, one on the left and one on the right. To turn the unit on, just push the button. Now that both sides are selected, we now have to set the temperature. We do that by turning the knob till we see the desired temperature we want. Here, we are setting both areas on the griddle to 350 degrees. When selected, just push the button again. Now we do the same for the other side. Below the temperature display, you will see left zone and right zone. Below that, you will see a bar indicator. The more bars, the closer you are to your desired temperature. When you see 2 orange bars, you are preheated and should be able to cook. You see here we cranked it up to 500 degrees. It took the griddle about another 10 minutes to reach 500 degrees, but did a great job of maintaining temperature. The fact that you can dial in the exact temperature you need gives you control that a gas griddle does not have. Now that the griddle is at a maximum temperature of 500 degrees and the orange bars can be seen, we let the griddle run for an additional 15 minutes. This helps to cure the cooking surface and lets the griddle settle in. Seasoning is not required on the ceramic titanium coating. 15 minutes later, it is time to turn off the unit. You do that by pushing and holding the zone button in till the display goes away. Repeat the process with the other zone button. Now you are ready to transform your kitchen or backyard into a sizzling culinary haven. So grab your favorite non-metal spatula, fire up the E-Series 22, and get ready to grill up some unforgettable memories. Till next time.